Hello and welcome to this UniTaster On Demand event today. My name is John Sheik. I'm here from UniTasterDays, and it's my job to introduce the event and introduce the speaker. The subject we're going to be looking at today is accounting and finance, and I'm delighted to be joined by Dr. Dawn Reilly, joining us from the University of Greenwich. Dawn is the programme leader for the Accounting and Finance programme, and it's going to cover things like why you might want to consider studying accounting and finance, what to expect on the course, application tips and careers. But with that, I'll pass things to Dr. Dawn Reilly, joining us from the University of Greenwich.
My name's Dawn Reilly and I'm from the University of Greenwich, and I'm going to talk to you about accounting and finance today, and I will share my slides now. First, why consider accounting and finance? There are good career prospects for accounting and finance graduates. Every industry needs accountants and finance professionals. So if you have an interest in a particular sector, whether that's advertising, retail, sport, music, or something else, all businesses need accountants. In an accounting and finance program, you will learn technical skills which are relevant to current practice. You'll also have the opportunity to develop transferable skills, including analysis and problem solving, working as part of a team, report writing, and delivering presentations. Accountants in practice tend to have professional accounting qualifications. Now, to qualify as an accountant, you would need to pass the exams required by the professional accounting body that you want to join. It's worth noting that many accounting and finance degrees are accredited by those accounting bodies. So if you choose to study an accounting degree which is accredited, you may have exemptions from some of the professional exams you would otherwise need to sit after you graduate. So what to expect if you study accounting and finance? In an accounting and finance program, you're going to study two types of accounting as well as finance. Now, the first type of accounting that you'll study is financial accounting. And this is where you'll learn the rules, the regulations and conventions that an entity follows when it's recording transactions and preparing its financial statement for external reporting. Your degree may begin with an introduction to bookkeeping by an individual entity, and then move on to the financial statements for a group of companies and consider how entities account for more complex transactions. The second type of accounting is management accounting. Now, this is accounting for internal purposes. A management accountant presents and analyzes the data that managers need to make decisions as they run their business and aim to meet their strategic objectives. That data could be financial, for example, the monetary value of sales in a period, or the cash that the entity has, or non-financial, such as the number of items sold or labor hours worked. Finance is about the financial management of an entity. How does the entity raise finance? How does it invest its financial resources? In an accounting and finance degree, you may encounter a range of assessment methods, including essays and reports, individual and group presentations, tests and exams. If your degree is accredited by a professional accounting body, please note that this will usually mean that a significant amount of assessment is by exam, which is a professional requirement. Application tips. Find out the program's entry requirements to check that you meet the entry criteria. Many accounting and finance programs don't ask for qualifications in specific subjects. However, a point to note is regarding mathematics. Accounting and finance is a numerate subject, so a university's entry qualifications may include the type of mathematics qualification typically taken at age 16. So for example, in the UK, that would be GCSE mathematics or its equivalent, or in some cases, age 18, for example, A-level maths in the UK. But it's worth looking at other universities' entry criteria if you don't have what's required. You may not have studied an accounting or finance subject before, but if you have, write about that in your application or include any relevant work experience you have in this area. However, a university would not necessarily be expecting this type of experience. So write about you. What do you enjoy? What do you enjoy as a student and any outside interests that you have? And why are you interested in studying accounting and finance? So how about careers? With an accounting and finance degree, you could join an accounting firm where you would provide accounting, tax, audit, or other consultancy services for a range of clients. You could also work internally in a company or another organization, either as a financial accountant who prepares financial statements for external reporting, or as a management accounting, where you would analyze financial and non-financial information for internal performance measurement and decision making. Or perhaps as a finance professional within an entity, deciding how that entity raises funds and where they will invest their resources. And because of the technical content, the numerate focus, and the transferable skills that you will develop in an accounting and finance degree, a graduate may also choose to go into a more general business management role. So there are good career prospects for accounting and finance graduates. Thank you.